Okay, sige po. Kamusta, sir? Ay, ma'am, mochi buns. Ayun, baka bibili si ma'am. Gawin kong 4 na yung bibili nyo. Eto, ma'am, patry ko sa'yo. Ikaw, ma'am, gusto mo rin try, ma'am? Yeah, chocolate, ma'am, and blueberry. Those are my best sellers. If you want something healthy, the chia walnut naman. Kamusta, ma'am? Di ba ano siya? Moist kasi siya, di ba, ma'am? Moist. Maubos na yan, sir.
Difference between between yung dito sa taas.
Aside from the shape, the filling. They use the same dough, different shape and different filling.
So there's filling inside.
There's filling inside, yes. Thank you, mama. Dalawa na lang pag bumalik kayo yung cake, mama. Sige po, mama. Naubos na bago pa umalis si sir. Aha. Okay. If you buy 5, ma'am, you get a free cake pa, ma'am. Kasi minimum 600 yun. Basically, it's 5 pieces. So, let me repeat lang. Chia and the blueberry right now. Okay.
Actually,
Make it 3 na?
yeah.
Okay. Chocolate or strawberry mo?
Yeah, the strawberry one. Strawberry one.
Okay, strawberry, chia, and blueberry. 2 more, 2 more and then you get a box and a cake, ma'am. 380 only, ma'am. Yung order nun, chocolate, tapos blueberry. Oh. Magkakaiwala yun eh. 380, ma'am. Would you like to pay in Gcash, ma'am? Or... Ay, ma'am, mochi buns. Okay. Dalawang blue yun, pero magkaiwalay na Gcash yun. Magkaiwalay. Magkaiwalay na Gcash. 380. 380. Ay, ma'am, mochi buns. Angel. Do you want to pay in cash instead, ma'am? Cash na lang. Do you need a change, ma'am? Or... Ay. Here's your 20. 20. Yes. Thank you, ma'am. Merry Christmas, ma'am. Merry Christmas.
Hello, mochi.
Thank you, ma'am. Nakakatuwa din si sir. Yung ko nakita sa camera kanina, bago pa umalis si sir, lagpas kalahati na, parang 1/4 na lang. Sarap daw, sabi niya. So, thank you so much. Thank you so much sa mga nagsusupport. Yan ito, nagbabalik pa kami para mabilisan talaga. Mamaya, kaya mag-ayos muna tayo dito ng gamit. Subusog natin to. Hi, ma'am, mochi buns. Eh, nandiyan ka pa rin, ma'am? Okay. Okay. Ano yun? Ano order nun? Chia, blue, strawberry. 380. Ay, ma'am, mochi buns. Ano to, ma'am? Chocolate. Ay, coffee, ma'am, no? 1 only, ma'am? Thank you, mama. May sugar free din tayo dyan, mama. Ay, ma'am, mochi buns po. Ayan, sunod-sunod na sila. Set up natin yung box ulit para kung may bibili, mabilisan, di ba? Aha. Ay, ma'am, mochi buns po. It's